Hey guys, Visit Charlie here. I'm going to be showing you a rewind October thing. 2021. Let's do this now. Yeah. My parents talking. My parents are just talking. I got that on video. Get down here. No, I'm not ready yet. I'm just doing a video.
Right, well, we're closing the door.
Wait, don't do it yet. Don't do it, I promise. Don't. Here. Here.
Charlie, come on.
What? You're ruining it. It's on video. Okay, there we go. Just go here. All right, that's it now. Thank you for watching. Stay tuned for more videos, and just kidding. We gotta start the bonfire night with sparklers. Hopefully I get into some video. It didn't work.
Yeah, it will keep it still.
I can't anymore. What the? Oh shoot!
Where are they around?
Ha! It's gonna burn! Ah! Fireworks! Actually,
Where are they around?
it smells good. It's just flying bonfire night. It's so scary. Ah, spy!
Spell it then.
C-H-A-R-L-A-E.
Charlie, your voice.
C-H-A-R-L-I-E. That's my voice. That's what I speak American.
Oh!
Another fire! A blue one. Oh no! It's getting close to my hand.
Stop. Listen, drop it over near the window. Leave it. Don't walk.
All right, let's go and stop it. Okay, so out here I found a stick on the floor. Yes, there. So I'm gonna go in now. Thank you for watching. Stay tuned for more videos and peace out. If anyone can spell that.